Hi, Topper Chef here. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to make Masala Omelette. Okay, for this we're going to take 2 eggs. It's a 2-egg omelette. Now you can make it spicier or non-spicier the way you want it to be. And so, but the basic ingredients are all this here. And let me see here. Okay, so first of all, whisk this really good. You gotta make it a little fluffy. To this, add a little turmeric, okay? And you can add other hot spices if you want. Like some people add chili powder, some people add coriander powder, whatever. But I just want to add turmeric. Mix it well. To this, add tomatoes. Now, I never cook my tomatoes or any of the spices in it because I like it when I make the omelette. I like it nice and crunchy in my mouth. And little chilies, and of course cilantro. This is just like a cucumber thing, and mix it all together. There you are. And not forgetting our salt, which we require. Okay, so now a little bit of salt. There you go. And so this is ready for 2 eggs. Now we're gonna make the omelette. Okay, so now my pan is nice and hot. I like this pan so I can flip my omelette in it. Put about 2 tablespoons of oil. Let this get hot. The key to making an omelette is how you want it cooked. Okay, some people like their omelets flat, like a pancake. Some people like it crescent shaped, whether it's cooked inside or not. Some people like it little runny. I like my omelette really cooked well, so I'm gonna put this now. Here you go. All that flavor in. Okay, so let it cook. Spread. Always scramble the egg first and let it spread. Okay, all the way through. Now this is the key for making an omelette, to get everything moving around and cooked. Now you can either flip this or you can slowly roll it. This is what I do, is roll this like this. And then get this here. And then slowly move this around and let this cook. And press it, pat it. Again, move it around. Let it cook here. There you see all the oil and everything's there. And now again, move it. There you go. And voila, this is ready. So now I'm gonna flip this thing onto my plate, and wow, look at this omelet. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm gonna taste my masala omelette now. Just like my mother used to make it. Like us on Facebook, join us on Pinterest, and of course subscribe to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!